perception about gay sexual practices. Negative perception is the downside inside that leads to stereotyping. And so, ladies and gentlemen and members of this House, in the context of sexual practices, fake films or films about gays and lesbians give the public an appalling impression about gay sexual practices. Thus, people stereotype those who belong to the same sex, most especially the gays. How does this happen, ladies and gentlemen and members of this House? By showing something and films or fake films in particular, such as unsafe sex, brief intercourse, and not to forget gay playing call voices for one night stand, are just manifestations of bad sexual practices. Moreover, ladies and gentlemen, what people see on film will remain in their minds. Thus, it is stereotyping. Take, for example, the film Ang Hiling ng Antonio, wherein the gay the uncle of Antonio just for a one-night stand. When in fact, ladies and gentlemen, not only gays do that, even the straight guys do that when they hire prostitutes just for a one-night stand.
Set.
Another example, ladies and gentlemen, is
Kapagod.
the home at the end of the world, where
Kapagod.
Kapagod. Having an AIDS just because of his sexual practices. When in fact, again, ladies and gentlemen, not only gays have the same sexual practices as it was depicted in the film. This goes to show, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the House, that these films create a negative impression that leads to stereotyping.
Wala.